Okay, in this video, we'll go over the different steps to take in order to update the drinks menu for Poseidon Greek Restaurant. The drinks menu come in PDF format, and checking the front end of the website on the menu page. This is where the drink menu is. It's sort of a 3D um, book effect that looks like a menu, and the menu matches with what the restaurant has. So if you click on the menu, it opens up the menu here, and you can see you can turn the page in, you can zoom in, zoom out, go back, you can zoom in, you can move it around if you're a touch screen on the phone. Alright, so because the prices have changed, we'll go ahead and update this drinks menu with a new one. So to do that, you gotta have the first step being all the PDF files merged into one file. So there's three different menus, as you can see over here. There's three different menus here, but what we have to do is we have to combine these three files and make a new file with everything in it. So to do that, you simply go to this website. It's called smallpdf.com. When you go there, you just click on merge PDF. If you go to smallpdf.com, just just click on merge. So I will leave the direct link to the merge tool right on the description of this video, and include it in the instructions for the user. Okay, so we'll go ahead and merge those three files into one. So we'll choose files, and then we will go to these three here, open them, and then we gotta choose the merge files option. So we can change the order the way we want, but since we've labeled this as number one, number two, and number three, it looks like it's in the correct order. We merge the PDF, and we will download. So you can see over here, it's downloading to my computer. While it's doing that, I'm going to log into the back end of the website. So again, to log into the back end of the website, you would go to the login link that was sent via email instructions. There you go, you have logged into the back end. Looks like our PDF file has already been merged. So open that. I'll just copy this into our folder here. We'll just rename it as tool menu version 2. Okay, so you gotta remember this file is the one that's a combination of the first three. These three are individual files. This one here is all those three files into one. Okay, so this is what we need to put up on the website. So speaking of putting up on the website, what we have to do is we have to go to media, and we have to add a new media. You have to upload that file onto your website. So you got to select the file, and then you go to your folder where that combined menu is, merged menu. Click on that. So this gets uploaded to your website. And then what we want to do, just one more step, is you're going to copy the URL. Okay. And then we go to the 3D flipbook. Go to all books. This is what we have. So click on edit. And all we're going to do is either paste that here, or actually even better, you can just select the PDF. So just select PDF and find that menu. It's right here. That's the one we just uploaded. Full menu version 2. You can see it was just uploaded. Open. So now this is what you have. So before we save this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure the new one shows up once we save it. I'm just gonna go here and leave this open, and I'm gonna open another one so I can test it in the front end. So because I haven't saved that yet, this is still the old menu, right? So we'll open the old menu first. Okay, so going back here, we selected the new menu. All you gotta do is just hit update on the far right on the top, and there we go. The menu should be updated. So what we'll do now is, this is the old menu. We're going to refresh the second page and compare the two and make sure the new menu has been uploaded. So this should be the new menu. Okay. Depending on what was changed, you can see over here. You can see over here, this is from the old menu, $11, and then this one, and the new menu is $12. So there you go. Menu has been uploaded and updated on the website. So then, because we've already updated it, all you gotta do is log out. And there you have it. That marks the end of the tutorial. If you have any more questions, feel free, as always, contact Full Web Solutions. Go to fullwebsolutions.com, click on the contact tab, and send us a message. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you, and thanks for watching.